प्लीज वेलकम टू द कमेंट सेक्शन मिस्टर वरुण नायर। अब मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि वरुण नायर ऐसे पॉइंट पे पहुंच भी जाएगा ना जब वो नौकरी छोड़ सकता है, वो नहीं छोड़ेगा, बिकॉज आई थिंक यू आर स्कैर्ड दैट इफ यू लेट गो ऑफ योर कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ व्हाट विल यू जोक अबाउट।
हाइड स्टोरी बोल के एक अमेजिंग ऑप्शन दिया है इंस्टाग्राम में। हाइड स्टोरी रिस्ट्रिक्ट। ओह, मैं मेटा को मेल भेजा, थैंक यू फॉर दिस।
You work with some really great brands and all.
Tell me more about my life, which I have no idea about.
And according to this, you got famous on TikTok. So tell me about your TikTok virality.
Never downloaded the app in my life, but I'm viral. Oh wow, dude. School ने मेरे को एक ड्राइंग कंपटीशन में भेज दिया था. And वो संडे मॉर्निंग 8 o'clock को कोई वेन्यू में जाने का था. My dad took me there and वहाँ देखा कि there were hundreds of kids. And my dad is like, घर जाके सोते हैं क्या? And I was like, हाँ सोते. And we left. That is how good I was.
But wasn't your dad like, your school has sent you, you're so good in drawing?
Like 6 days working happening. ठीक है. सोने दे रहे. I also have a question for you.
Yes. Oh wow. Okay.
What do you think about the future of MCU? How can we draw the audience? बुड्ढे लोग को वापस लाओ. And like, अभी याद है through Steve Rogers. Come.
Hello and welcome to the comment section. मेरा नाम है अब्बास और आज जो मेरे साथ जो गेस्ट मेरे सामने बैठे हैं, अक्सर जब हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं तो मैं उनसे एक छोटा सा इंट्रो पूछ लेता हूँ कि आप जो करते हैं लाइफ में, जिसके लिए आप यहाँ हैं वो तो ठीक है, इसके अलावा आप क्या करते हैं। तो मेरे आज के जो गेस्ट हैं उन्होंने बोला है कि ही इज़ अ कॉमेडियन स्लैश कॉर्पोरेट स्लेव, एंड इफ़ यू फॉलो हिम ऑन इंस्टाग्राम ही रियली मीन्स व्हाट ही सेज, बिकॉज इवन दो ही इज़ अ कॉमेडियन, about 90% of the posts that he sends out are actually about traveling in local trains and railway stations and just the general outlook and the general क्या बोलते हैं उसको, the vibe of
Yes.
Mumbai city.
Yes.
Not just Mumbai city, the outskirts specifically
Correct.
of Mumbai city, right? But he's a very funny guy. He's one of the upcoming comics, or he jokes about a lot of the corporate slavery that he does. A very good friend of mine. Please welcome to the comment section, Mr. Varun Nair.
Woo, yay. Hello, thank you.
Hello,
you.
hello, hello,
Thank
hello.
you, thank you.
Hello,
for having me.
yes.
Appreciate it. All of
Yes.
that is correct.
All the 70 people here
Yes.
are going crazy in the
Yes.
crowd, Varun.
Yes. Please, guys, just take care of the confetti. It's all good. Yes. Now we can
So, Varun, we are recording this at 8 p.m. in the night,
talk. Yeah.
right? एंड यूजुअली जब सेलिब्रिटी लोग इधर आता है ना, वो लोग ऐसा आजू बाजू टाइम पे आते हैं 3 बजे,
Oh.
11 बजे, क्योंकि देयर जॉब इज टू बी अ सेलिब्रिटी,
Correct.
राइट? Even if I may say so, one of your very good friends, Siddharth Shetty,
Yes.
when he also came, he came at like 6 p.m. and something. He came from something and he was about to go to a show.
Okay.
So he was in transit, right?
अच्छा.
बट विथ यू आई नो कि तू जो भी करेगा वो 6-7 बजे के बाद ही करेगा, क्योंकि
Correct.
तेरा प्रायोरिटी है ऑफिस,
Yes.
ठीक है? ऑफिस प्लस commute time.
Commute. Yes.
Right? So, firstly, I want to ask you this honestly,
Yeah.
because I've known you for quite a while. I followed your stuff
Yeah.
for a while.
Yeah.
Do you? मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि वरुण नायर ऐसे पॉइंट पे पहुंच भी जाएगा ना जब वो नौकरी छोड़ सकता है, वो नहीं छोड़ेगा, बिकॉज आई थिंक यू आर स्कैर्ड दैट इफ यू लेट गो ऑफ योर कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ व्हाट विल यू जोक अबाउट। इज दैट ट्रू?
No. Okay. Honestly. First of all, we started this question with Siddharth Shetty, and I
Yes.
want to put it on record that Siddharth Shetty is a piece of shit.
Oh wow.
Horrible person. Horrible guy. I will not give any explanation. I just want to give Siddharth Shetty slander.
Wow, shots fired.
Yeah.
Huh.
Siddharth Shetty. I just love shitting on Shetty whenever I get an opportunity. उसके खुद के podcast में आके मैं गाली दे के आया. So anybody who has seen his podcast will understand why I'm saying this. Moving on. हाँ, तो that's it. So in terms of my dream,
Yeah.
is like that. You asked a very interesting question.
Yeah.
कि people have dreams of कि अरे I want to sell out stadiums, you know,
Yeah.
50,000 people, 60,000. I have very step-based feelings. Like अभी मेरे को बोलेगा कि people are like, dude, I sold out this club and all. Well, I want to sell 30 tickets. What I'm saying? तो वैसा level पे पहला मेरा dream है कि quit my day job and just leave it out of it, because I feel Mumbai is so cruel. You will get irritated anyway. So I don't need a job per se, because honestly I have maxed out.
Okay.
मेरे पास और कुछ नहीं है, because I see reels, right? Every time I'm like कि ये मैंने 4 साल पहले कर चुका है.
हाँ.
तो आई एम काइंड ऑफ अनॉयड, और इस पे 4 मिलियन व्यू. मेरा 4 साल पहले जो एल्गोरिदम नहीं था, तो मैं क्या करूं अभी? तो लाइक डूड, आई मेड द एग्जैक्ट सेम थिंग.
Right.
तो आफ्टर अ पॉइंट कॉर्पोरेट इज जस्ट, यू नो, इट्स द सेम शिट. एनीवेयर you just kind of repurpose the same stuff in different packaging.
Right.
And after a point it's not funny too. तो अभी तू देखेगा ना, मैं सिर्फ stories में specifically गाली देता हूँ, because like if somebody is being annoying, so I'll just change the stuff, put it out on story, saying कि अरे I feel nice. I feel nice. It is honestly, it is not for anybody.
Right.
I'm like, I don't care if you like it,
Yeah.
if you laugh, react. I don't give a shit. It is just for me a release because I am not a specific good employee where मेरे को ऐसा चाटना है या I have to be like, yes sir, hi sir, have you had lunch? मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है because it feels like कि you're wearing a monkey suit and just trying to live in the zoo. But then you realize कि everybody else are also in monkey suit,
Yeah.
and everybody is behaving like apes. So you just cannot comprehend this.
Yeah.
So that is job तो छोड़ेगा.
But but don't people from your work follow you on your social media?
I have a thing कि I kind of know कि who is cool, who is not.
Okay.
Okay.
हाँ.
And the one who is not cool, hide story बोल के एक amazing option दिया है Instagram में.
Yes.
Block भी नहीं.
हाँ.
Block you will
Yeah,
figure
I know.
out.
Yeah.
Hide story, restrict. Oh, मैं मेटा को मेल भेजा. Thank you for this. I know you have destroyed the world with
Yeah,
the
I know.
algorithm.
But
This you have done great. बढ़िया काम किया आपने.
But they don't let you do it like en masse. You have to individually go and.
हाँ, I take
तो individually जाके cool लोग को सिर्फ allow करता है.
इंडिविजुअली मेरे को समझ में आता है कि देख है ही इतने फॉलोअर, ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे को नोटिफिकेशन में
No, you have like 61K followers. I checked.
वो प्लेटो होके 3 साल हो गया मेरा. ठीक है, सी बीइंग वेरी ऑनेस्ट, हु केयर्स. तो मेरे को समझ में आता है कि ओके दीस पीपल, बिकॉज एचआर एवरीबडी लाइक हाइड, बिकॉज इवन द नाइस एचआरस विल स्क्रू यू ओवर if I say something about the company.
Yeah.
That's the rule, guys. Never trust HR. Even if they are your wife. My wife is in HR. I still don't
You
trust
still don't trust her. Damn.
So I kind of have this, this person is not cool. And मैं देख लेता. Sometimes I will understand when they message. Hey dude, ये तूने सही नहीं बोला, रुक जा बताता हूँ. और
ऑफिस में पता तो होगा ना कि तू स्टैंड अप करता है.
कुछ 30-40%. Rest of the people don't care because
That's true.
they don't respect stand up as a medium. They're like ये तो घटिया लोग करते हैं करीब because of whatever the political stuff which happened. So they don't like it. So they don't want to address it at all.
Right.
Some people who kind of know and kind of like it, they just aware about it, but they don't. But they also hate कि तू क्या है, तो तू stand up करना, इधर किसी का job क्यों खा रहा है करके. This is a fuck way to look at it. But I also agree.
Wow, difficult life, man.
नहीं job है मेरे पास.
But like, do you think if you were, let's say, I don't know, like Carnatic vocalist, like you were, that was your talent, right?
Yeah.
You think then your office would be way more appreciative of what you do?
Oh yeah, 100%. Dude, you know this. You've done stand up.
Yeah.
Have you ever received? Until you bomb, okay, you have spectacularly bombed, then only people will come and tell you, what tough है ये करने का. That's when you realize, oh shit, I've hated it so much.
Yeah.
If you have done well, nobody is like, dude, what you're doing is amazing. कोई नहीं बोलेगा.
Right.
Because, I mean, we are paraphrasing. If you are really good at your job, it looks like there is no effort.
Correct.
So, if it looks like there is no effort, they won't respect you, which in itself is a compliment. But kind of sucks. But skill रहेगा ना. Like I understand. I'm not saying कि Carnatic vocalist I am better than. I'm like way better. मैं इधर.
Just say it, Varun. That's what you mean. So you're saying you're not looking down upon Carnatic vocalists?
I'm just saying कि obviously their skill can be
You're
seen
just
and
saying
compared.
if they are on the same show, you will get more laughs than
100%. That I can guarantee.
Okay.
और ऊपर से नहीं, honestly, if I have received more silence in awe compared to because ऐसा भी बॉम्ब किया है, लोग बोले इसको भाई
In awe. Okay.
मतलब मुझे लग रहा है in awe.
Oh, वैसा वाला.
और like oh my god, how bad is this? वैसा भी हुआ है. तो
You know, now you're being very humble because
नहीं, I mean we know
your trajectory as a comedian is, if I may so touch wood, on a good stature.
It is slow and I don't mind this pace. I mean, like I like the fact कि I am this age, like I'm 36. If I had received any virality when we started out 27, 28, I would have been a piece of shit, dude. अभी नहीं, मैं genuinely बोल रहा हूँ. You just see all the artists who are like young influencers. You see them.
What pieces of shit.
Shit. Not because they are famous.
Want to name any names?
Yeah, I don't know them. It's not like I worked behind the scenes for one of the huge YouTubers.
I don't know if I ever asked you, like, what you remember your very first open mic that you went for?
Oh yeah, it was.
Also, by the way, can I just say the way the ऐसा तूने जो एकदम ये जो डिसडेन दिखाया है सिद्धार्थ शेट्टी के तरफ, when he was on here, I think that part got cut off from the final episode. I asked him कि तेरे को कभी ऐसा जलन होता है कि तेरे दोस्त लोग तेरे से ज्यादा फेमस हो जाएगा, and I gave your example for the heck of it. मेरे को पता है वरुण तेरा दोस्त है, कभी वरुण तेरे से ज्यादा ऐसा टिकट बेच दिया या कुछ किया? तो नहीं यार, वरुण तो मेरा दोस्त है करके ऐसा काट देना, ऐसा बोला था। वो बेचारा इतना तेरा वो
तारीफ किया और उसने
किया,
बट काटा ना। काटा कि नहीं?
हाँ, काटना पड़ा।
हाँ, फिर
the reason he gave is because like he didn't want that to become a friction between you two.
See, now this is a case study here.
Okay.
If you don't cut this out,
Yeah.
the Siddharth Shetty
No,
stuff,
that stays.
that stays.
हाँ.
That means you are proving the fact that internet पे प्यार मोहब्बत नहीं चलता है, गाली दिया तो तुम लोग काटेगा नहीं. हाँ?
That's true.
This is a case study too.
Yeah.
So yeah, Siddharth Shetty essentially it's like, actually I'll connect both the things, first open
Sure.
mic and
Yeah.
this one. Siddharth Shetty, very close friend, like to the fact.
Even before comedy?
No.
Okay.
Comedy friends, like pure.
Okay.
I think I met him on my second open mic.
Okay.
That is and second open mic, bomb, spectacular.
What was-
First mic was at Come Ladder.
Okay.
ये वो McDonald's के ऊपर एक venue था यार. I forgot.
Where was this?
This is in Khar only. Jeff Goldberg studio.
Yes,
OG.
हाँ.
वो वाला.
Yeah.
तो तभी गया था.
मैकडोनल्ड के सामने.
सामने हाँ, sorry.
रेस पिज़्ज़ा एरिया के ऊपर.
Yeah.
अभी वो बिल्डिंग गिर गया, पता तेरे को?
कौन ये बैठा है?
Anyway,
हाँ. तो I had got one applause break in my first open.
Oh, nice.
This is a horrible thing to do because तेरा ego super high.
True.
You're like, dude,
Yeah.
I'm born to do this. Applause break क्या होता है करके? Didn't win the open mic, but still
Yeah.
self-esteem high. Second में औकात पे. Then you're like, oh shit,
Where was the second one?
same उधर.
अच्छा से.
Next month. तो बोलो oh shit, ये सिर्फ एक ही बार होता. तभी I met Shetty and the best part was both of us were wearing formals.
Okay.
तो बोला अच्छा तू भी मेरे
Corporate. हाँ,
तो
yeah.
that funda happened. Then we
आंखों में उदासी, कंधों में ऐसे ड्रूपिंग,
and t-shirt थोड़ा शर्ट थोड़ा tucked out है
हाँ.
क्योंकि ट्रेन से आया ना तो वो अंदर घुसाने का भी मेहनत नहीं किया हमने, ऐसे ही आ गया. So we are very close friends. So at this point की even if you start a rumor where you say कि oh Varun hates you, I won't even deny it. I'm like yes, बोल तू, मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, very resolute. मैं तो बोलेगा, मैं I am hoping that my entire goal is to go to every podcast and the moment Siddharth Shetty का नाम आता है मैं गाली देके निकल जाएगा. That is my thing. I won't explain. मतलब this is it. So make rumors.
Okay. But how did you get there? Like when did you realize कि मैं कॉमेडी कर सकता है, कुछ फनी है मैं?
नहीं वो एक तो बेसिक तो अपना इंट्रोडक्शन वाज रसेल पीटर्स,
Yeah.
बट वी डिडंट नो दैट वाज स्टैंड अप
Of course,
और समथिंग. देन AIB guys happened,
Yeah,
थोड़ा बहुत
yeah.
स्टैंड अप वीडियोस निकला,
Yeah.
एंड honestly what happened is that I was always interested and
You always grew up in Bombay.
yeah,
So Palakkad is not correct.
I tell you what, I would kill to be in Palakkad because
Why?
Palakkad is the southern part of Kerala,
Okay.
which sounds, every place has a dialect, right?
Okay.
So Palakkad has the purest, nicest Malayalam dialect.
Oh, okay.
And I live in the northernmost part called Kannur.
Okay.
Kannur ka dialect means it's like sandpaper on marble or something.
Okay.
Sounds horrible. So I would love to be Palakkad.
So कुछ example देना, like what would a Kannur dialect sound like and what would a Palakkad
Okay.
dialect
Just
sound like?
So essentially, let's say Palakkad Malayalam is like a sculptor, doing his.
Enough with the metaphors. Give me an
अच्छा,
example.
तो example दो, अच्छा, ठीक है. So how is
Sculptor, sandpaper.
I was going full. नहीं तो अभी देख, अगर
I'm
Malayalam.
trying to find out what is the cliche Malayalam that people when they want to speak like a Malayali.
Speak like a Malayali.
Obviously, Malayalam as a language is hard to replicate, but people speak like I do an English in the Malayali accent, right? So, like there is a thing.
Okay,
that,
phonetically you can figure out.
Okay.
So basically, I'm saying ki please go sit here in Malayalam. Avadi irikku kutti.
This is
Palakkad.
okay.
Avadi irikku kutti. Now Kannur Malayalam is like aadi irikada. So I'm just saying ki, and I did say son of a at the end. So
Wow.
Kannur Malayalams are like very hardcore. So
Okay.
my point is that it's very colloquial and streetwise.
Okay.
Again, I'm wrong, but
No,
it
that's
just
fine.
sounds like that. So
But you grew up in Bombay, basically.
Grew up in Bombay, yeah.
So Russell Peters happens, AIB happens.
AIB happens, and friends think I am funny,
Oh.
but I have never been on stage ever. Never in my
What did you
life.
study?
BMS, commerce.
Okay.
bullshit.
ऐसा सोच के क्यों बोला?
मैं सोच रहा था क्या बोलूं, स्कूल से बोलूं कि कहाँ से इज्जत निकला मेरा. तो I'm
But
like,
nothing arts related.
nothing, zero.
Okay.
आर्ट रूट बचपन में मैं
Doodle.
नहीं डूडल करने का एंड ड्राइंग नॉनसेंस. सो
okay.
आई वाज सो गुड कि वन डे आई वाज स्कूल ने मेरे को एक ड्राइंग कंपटीशन में स्कूल के नाम पे मेरे को
भेजा.
भेज दिया था. एंड वो संडे मॉर्निंग 8 o'clock को कोई वेन्यू में जाने का था. एंड माई डैड टुक मी देयर एंड वहाँ देखा कि देयर वेर हंड्रेड्स ऑफ किड्स. एंड माई डैड इज लाइक घर जाके सोते हैं क्या? एंड लाइक हाँ सोते. एंड वी लेफ्ट. दैट इज हाउ गुड आई वाज. बट डैड इज लाइक देयर इज नो पॉइंट गोइंग देयर. That's the only exposure to arts.
But wait, was it a competition?
Oh yeah, it was a competition.
But wasn't your dad like, your school has sent you, you're so good in drawing?
Like 6 days working है आदमी का. ठीक है, सोने दे रहे. I have now थोड़ा empathy for him. I'm like ठीक है.
But you, how old were you at this time? ये
10 years or something.
तेरे को ऐसा नहीं लगा कि मैं इतना, मतलब मेरे को स्कूल ने भेजा, मेरा ड्राइंग अच्छा है, मैं भी इन बच्चों के साथ बैठ के बनाता
तभी लगा था. बट अभी एज एन
तुम
अडल्ट
लोगों वो तारे जमीन पे का गाना बजता है, तुम लोग बैठ के
सेम लगा था मेरे को. बट फिर एज एन अडल्ट आई अंडरस्टैंड कि भाई नींद तो आता है. मेरे को भाई एक दिन छुट्टी है, सोने दे यार. ये इन्वेस्टमेंट में कुछ नहीं.
मतलब like usually this would be the point where I would bring out, like as an interviewer I would have, also your parents didn't encourage you as a तू तो खुद ही बोला कि हाँ जाके सोते पप्पा क्या है क्या करने का है मेरे को.
अरे क्या अभी क्या, I wasn't good. I know.
Your school sent you, bro?
हाँ, because they had no option.
What school was this?
This
If you don't mind mentioning.
I don't know if I want to mention. It's like a semi-government funded school only.
किधर का कहाँ?
मुलुंड में.
मुलुंड. Okay, cool.
तो कुछ खास थे नहीं, 3-4 ही थे. बोला कि जा भाई मेरे को.
And where was the drawing center?
It was in another school in Mulund.
In Mulund only. अच्छा.
ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत दूर गया.
तब तो
पास पे ही था. लेकिन डूब जा सकते.
ठीक है. Okay. Anyway.
So arts wise. So after that. I was
क्रिएटिविटी का महत्व तेरे फैमिली में कितना था समझ में आ रहा है?
Yeah, 100%. No artists.
Siblings,
yes. I have one younger brother.
Okay.
But no arts, nothing.
Okay.
Like he's into football and everything, but no arts.
Okay.
तो हाँ, so coming back, AIB देखा, अरे dude तू भी बोल, but फट रही थी. So and this is very, I'm ashamed of this, but fact is fact. One of my classmates did his open mic, and he's not a funny guy, right? He's not at all funny. He did an open mic and he started doing comedy for 3 months. And people are like, तेरे मुंह पे थूक के गया. ठीक है? And pure like, what the hell? That literally pushed me कि एक बार तो करना चाहिए. मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. एक बार तो करना चाहिए करके. But at least for 6 months I was still unsure कि अरे I don't think this is my thing, because I was bombing nicely. But I think the first 5 minute set which I got tight, I'm like हाँ ठीक है फिर ये करना, because I kind of like the idea कि I don't have to belong in corporate, because I was not fitting in पहले भी. I used to hate everything. I'm like ये क्या है, फालतू करे फालतू. Now suddenly I got an outlet.
Right.
Like oh this is great.
What year is this?
This is 2017.
17. Okay.
So तभी I was like oh shit, suddenly things made sense. And honestly it was the only time I felt नहीं, अगर लाइफ में बिना कॉर्पोरेट कभी तो हो सकता है, तो आई एम जस्ट थिंकिंग ऑफ दैट कि आई विल जस्ट डील विद दिस नॉनसेंस.
Cut to 8 years later.
So guys, PPT. You know, my sincere worries, I keep shitting on everywhere, but I know I don't link my work and LinkedIn with my Instagram. But किसी ने भी मेरे से जरा सा भी सुन भी लिया ना, कोई मुझे हायर नहीं करेगा. मतलब I can't be in this company for years, right? Sometime I'll have to jump if I have to make a living out of it.
Did you just like change jobs recently?
Yeah, a year and a half ago.
Yeah.
तो वहाँ से निकल गया था. And now I'm like, अरे इधर भी बहुत हो गया अभी. Because I worked there for 7 years, my previous company.
Okay.
So because the team was nice and they allowed me कि जा stand up.
I have a feeling people there know that you are doing this, but I'm assuming you're good enough at your job that they don't want to let you go also. So they are.
Oh, no. My team is. I have told them कि okay, if I am not available, मतलब मैं जा रहा हूँ तो मैं phone नहीं उठाऊंगा because I'll be on stage or something. So they know my team is okay, but the rest of the मतलब stakeholder teams जिससे मैं बात करता हूँ, most of them don't give a shit. Some of them really appreciate कि अरे this is cool. Or some of them is like, why aren't you on Big Boss?
Not yet. Give me
No.
five.
But yeah, if they give you FU money, तो कोई ना कौन ही
Of
नाम
course,
लेगा.
man. Why not?
Why not?
I mean, one of our comedy
Yes,
compatriots.
killed it, dude.
Yeah,
Killed it.
already has gone and come back.
Yeah.
So,
Amazing stuff.
the door is now been kicked open.
Yeah.
But your first ever set that you did, do you still do those jokes?
No.
So what was the joke? What are the jokes about? Do you remember?
There is 2.5 minutes which we can never do ever.
Really?
Yeah.
Politics?
No, religion.
Religion? Arey, okay.
So I don't know how to skirt around.
No, so okay, something was about religion, something was about corporate life.
Yeah. Corporate life tha. Some of them was like, some of them is on YouTube. First YouTube video.
Shuru mein I mean, most of us in our first few sets we were trying to be edgy and trying to be, so we all wrote about whatever relationships, religion, jo bhi hai.
Correct.
But so then at what point did you realize, like you said, you bombed in the second open mic.
Yeah.
So what gave you the courage to be like, okay, I still want to keep doing this?
I like the dude wo laugh wala feeling is amazing. Laugh, dude. Because nobody appreciates you in life in general. Okay?
Yeah.
No shitting on my
Not
loved
even,
ones.
yeah,
I'm just saying.
Yeah.
But like generally, okay, honestly, I was never a...
Your art teacher did, but you didn't give her anything. You would give a shit in return.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. So I didn't feel like at some point most of us are very mediocre in every other thing.
Speak for yourself, bro.
I don't know. I'm just saying. Just like,
Okay.
Yeah. What about your research team? तो
हाँ, उसका ये भी है कि मैं भी इतना बड़ा चुनाव में यहाँ आके खोल के देख रहा हूँ रिसर्च. अरे वरुण तो है. Anyway.
तू कस्टमर सर्विस है ना तेरा रिसर्च टीम का. मैं तू ही खाएगा गाली.
No, enough with the corporate jargon. So you're saying we are mostly mediocre
in everything. So I never, and it wasn't like I craved for it कि oh wow I am good at this करके. I'm like I'm coasting through mediocrity. I'm all good. मेरे को पता है. Not good in sports, not good in studies. Normal. Didn't offend anything. So laugh felt like कि oh ये मेरे लिए है. मतलब dude, at least 10 people were collectively laughing. It felt very, oh shit, I did this. That I've never had in life. And it is very addictive. And it's not a good relationship because if I don't go on stage for a week, I can mentally feel कि oh shit यार कुछ नहीं होएगा career में, क्या चल रहा है. Then my wife will be like कि जाना थोड़ा stage open mic जाके आ. And if one new joke, I was like dude, कर सकता है यार life में मैं कुछ. It's so stupid. But yeah, that is the only thing I think which kept me going.
एक तो तेरा ट्रेन से क्या ये लव हेट रिलेशनशिप लव अफेयर है.
नहीं, I
because you are, I mean 90% of your content on your stories is about to board a train, inside a train,
correct,
just got out of a train.
I'll be honest. Okay, it started and now it's become part of my personality. So even if I don't post anything for a week, people have DM me, bro, आजकल क्या हो गया ट्रेन में नहीं आता है. And people have tagged me, bro, I am also in local train. मैं तेरा कोई कॉर्पोरेटर नहीं है, जाके वोट कर 15 तारीख को, ठीक है. तो my thing is that I really hate when somebody romanticizes Bombay in a sense, right?
Yeah.
And it just, I'm trying to write a set about this, but this is a fact. How are we absolutely okay with this mode of transportation killing 7 people every day, right? And like, look at us, we are like nodding. This doesn't appall us.
Yeah.
7 people. All of us here might die and we're like, yeah, train ne ek din mein maar diya karke, and that is absolutely fine.
Yeah.
So that is always irritating me, and I don't have anything. So initially it was just out of frustration, like this. Then what happened is I started making jokes, and people are like, bro, tu mere ko udaas kar raha hai, I'm unfollowing you. Then I'm like, great, isko main weed out karta hu. Lot of people get irritated, and I like the fact ki people have woken up later आराम से 10 बजे और फिर मेरा स्टोरी दिखता है. You feel good about your life,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah.
So I'm doing a public service. कि you could have been here, but you're not. Be grateful for your life. So people have done that. So, but I don't like the fact कि when they tag me, bro, तू इधर है क्या करके? अरे तेरे को पता है जब भी Conan came to India, right?
Yeah.
He had a picture in a local train.
Right.
I was so pissed.
Yeah.
And I think
I agree. He should have got in contact.
उसके armpit के नीचे मैं होना चाहिए था. He's 6'4" or something.
100%.
And people have sent me that photo. It's not just me. Bro, this should have been you. तभी मेरे को समझा.
Yeah.
Oh wow, this has gone too far.
Conan's team, if you're watching this, I know this will never reach
Never
you.
reach.
But you guys f***ed up, guys. You should have had Varun.
The day.
And I mean, I know for a fact they didn't actually take him in the really crowded trains. They took him to like probably Bandra to Churchgate type.
Correct.
उसमें लेके गया
100%. But still, I mean.
But then, so अभी तूने थोड़ा serious बात छेड़ दिया है, तो थोड़ा अभी serious बात करेंगे अपन लोग.
Sure.
So you're right. I mean, like I understand why each metro city in India, and obviously because I have stayed most in Bombay and Bangalore, and Bangalore I stayed long time ago.
Oh, cool. I know.
Yeah, I went to study. तब metro भी नहीं था. But
wow.
तभी crime ज़्यादा होता था लेकिन.
Time to date yourself. मतलब समझ में आया.
तभी crime ज़्यादा होता था metro में.
Late 30s, yeah.
But I don't understand like why, like you said, what is the fascination with living in big metro cities when almost nothing is livable, right?
Yeah.
So like, rage is one thing. I know I'm asking I'm asking you a big question. This is not a question that a comedian is supposed to solve.
Yeah.
But what do you think is a way out? Is there any way out of, because I'm so this thing, like I asked my mother, I'm like, तुम्हारे टाइम पे भी इतना ही रश था क्या ट्रेन से? मम्मी बोली हाँ. And that we're talking about 1970s.
Yeah.
So I'm like, 40-50 years have gone by.
Correct.
And people, and my mom is one of those people who romanticizes this thing.
Yeah.
She while she was in Bangalore, she's like, हाँ Bangalore में वो है पर वो Bombay वाली बात. I'm like, what is the Bombay वाली बात, right? Dude. So what is your whole take on this? I don't understand the whole thing.
The thing is that एक तो context is I've lived my whole life here.
Right.
I have never stayed
never been to
anywhere.
Palakkad also.
Never been to Palakkad also. Palakkad, great happening place, I can assume. but I genuinely feel that I think it's a very toxic boyfriend girlfriend wala thing,
right.
where you are horrible to me. मतलब ये बस मेरे लिए but toxic है, बाकी लोग के लिए नहीं है. Because undeniable fact is it is safer, not safe,
right,
compared to other metro cities.
Sure.
Right.
Yeah.
But you have to also acknowledge the fact it is safer because इतने लोग हैं कि खाली जगह किधर है नहीं, right? And everybody is like working round the clock.
Right.
So people will be there.
Right.
I mean, it's a good and a bad thing, sure. तो we have that thing कि यार अरे हाँ but भाई safe तो है ना यार, तेरे को अगर कभी भी खाना चाहिए तो मिल जाएगा. But you are like...
But like, do you fantasize once in a week or twice a week, once in 2 weeks to leave everything and go live in a place like Pune? Like you're near, but you're not. At least you're away from the hustle.
No, I get that. But you know what? I am that kind of a victim where I've never felt कि I'm gonna leave this place.
Why?
Legit. I just can't imagine. It is like proper. I am like a huge trapped victim.
Yeah, see, so this is what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
It's not like you're unaware of all the.
No.
And you're not. तू वो भी नहीं है कि जो खाब लेके आया था शहर में.
नहीं मैं यहाँ
वो तो यही खा है.
यही खा रहा है. तो मेरे को ऐसा है ही नहीं कि अरे यहाँ से जाना नहीं है. It's just I just want to complain full time.
Yeah.
And I'm like ठीक है, but और किधर भी इतना I know opportunity वाला फंडा भी it's now kind of mixed because अभी other cities also
see,
have.
I mean, I get that when if you compare it with the other cities in India, probably it is the quote unquote best one to live in. But then relatively what
is like air is bad.
हाँ, एक जगह तुम जा रहे हो, तुम खांसते मर जाओगे.
एक जगह पानी नहीं है.
एक जगह तुम ट्रैफिक में 6 घंटा वो रहोगे. Calcutta still getting used to the idea of progress. Sorry to all the people from Calcutta watching. And what in Chennai, I think I don't want to speak against the Chennai people.
Chennai the weather.
But the language, actually.
Yes.
I mean, you get there, you're going to take at least 5-6 years just to get a hang of the language.
Yes.
So I get that from that perspective, yes.
Yeah.
But
No man, I mean after a point it's just the refusal to improve anything here. You're like यार नहीं ठीक है ना.
पर अभी तो सुबह उठता है जब ही I refuse to believe that you're looking forward to that madness of a this thing, right? It's not like मैं story डालेगा, मैं jokes बनाएगा. I'm sure it's gonna be for you. It's like holy shit, again I have to go through the seven
Yeah.
circles of hell.
Brother, even I get sometimes very happy when open mics get cancelled because मेरे को travel करना नहीं है.
Yeah.
Because the traveling part, it's just the stage time, which is like 5-7
Right.
minutes, 10 minutes, whatever.
Right.
तब मजा आता है. But for that, I have to battle like
Of
4,
course.
3.5 hours.
Yeah.
I'm like, it's not worth it. Cancel. I'm like, yes, अब घर पे बैठूंगा. I don't like. Then I realized कि I don't love stand up that much also. ठीक है. इतना नहीं है. अच्छा लगता है. But yeah. it's
What's
just
your what's your itinerary? Let's say if you have to rush from your work directly to a show.
हाँ.
You do carry an extra pair of clothing and everything so that because you will be sweating all the way in the
Oh
train.
yeah. So if it's like a lineup show where it is not me
Yeah.
most of the time, I don't give a shit. I'm
Okay.
like कि एक t-shirt ले लेगा
Yeah.
and that's it.
Yeah.
Nothing much. Like I am here right now.
Yeah.
ठीक है. So,
Okay, yeah, sure.
yeah. So,
I was gonna say this is not a show, but it is a show.
yeah,
kind of,
but
yeah.
I mean like ठीक है यार. I don't
Yeah.
want to show the semblance of any corporate when I come on stage or
Okay.
wherever. तो t-shirt ले लेगा. If it's like a private kind of a thing, whenever I get it, तभी I do effort. कि पैसा
Of
दे रहा
course,
है
yeah,
तो वो तो हो जाता है.
Yeah.
If it's
Also,
a
you are getting corporate gigs.
हाँ sometimes होता है ऐसा.
Okay, okay. अरे
saying.
ले ले यार
I'm
credit
just
ले
saying,
ले.
पालक्काड़ में ना होने के बावजूद yeah. तो corporate तो चलो तो जाने दो, but generally if it's like a lineup show I do that. If it's a solo show whenever I do, तभी तो and solo show तो anyway I do it on weekends only because
Correct, yeah.
I want to take out time to just prepare and stuff. तो ठीक है. But
Okay.
yeah.
So you're how long have you been doing your 1 hour solo shows now?
Hana solo show, the first one I did was in actually 4 years ago.
Okay.
And depending upon how many people come, उसके हिसाब से मैं कर रहा था.
Okay.
It has evolved some of the material I have put out, but yeah. So 1 hour now it has changed. जो मैं पहला किया था, it's not the same.
Have you how much of it have you phased out?
Around 20 minutes I've faced out.
Okay, cool.
It's on YouTube.
Alright.
So abhi now it's a extra bit. So
Okay.
I do bits and it's not like a cohesive
Got
like
it.
narrative
Yeah.
thing.
Still
It's
work
like
in
mostly,
progress.
Yeah,
हाँ.
mostly jokes.
But when did you get this this thing कि हाँ भी 1 घंटे का शो कर सकता है? Or was it just a thinking now it's now or never?
It is. I felt that so nothing was working. Like
Is there a mentor figure in the comedy scene who you look up to?
no,
Okay.
nothing.
No,
Nahi,
it's okay.
I mean, you know how bad it is. I like a lot of people.
Sure,
I've
sure.
taken
Yeah.
work
But
ethic wise.
someone you go to if you have to, let's say, take a career call or like stand up.
I actually I discuss with friends only. I
Okay.
don't have specifically because
Got
the people who will give you feedback is based on their life experience.
Right.
So very few people in the scene are still having a corporate day job and also doing comedy because most of the people
correct, exactly, yeah.
COVID
true.
ने साफ किया
Correct,
and
yeah.
like अभी कोई नहीं है.
Yeah.
So if I have to ask for advice कि okay these are my
Yeah,
constraints. If a comedian who has never done a day job
Yeah.
and done freelancing and everything, but not because I have to be physically present 9 hours in this office.
Correct, yeah.
So they won't understand. So there is no
Sure.
point of asking.
Yeah.
So I check.
You're very right actually because I was thinking this a couple of days ago, the pre-COVID stand-up scene.
Yeah.
And I wanted to get to know from you what do you think about the stand-up scene in Bombay right
Yeah.
now. But 2017 to 19 times there were enough people who were also doing a day job and
yeah.
also doing
Yeah.
stand-up. Now I see people who are doing, and I include myself in this, who are doing jobs. They are peripherally
In the scene.
In the scene, they
Yeah.
know comedy. They are
Creatively,
following comedy,
yeah.
doing something relatively related to comedy, but probably are not doing as much
Yeah,
stand up.
yeah.
Or there are those who have taken the leap, who are like, I want to do this full time. I
Correct.
keep my freelance gigs running
Correct,
on
correct,
the side.
Yeah.
Some of them have left Bombay because
Yeah.
the rents are too high
Too
to
high,
be paid
yeah,
and everything.
yeah.
So I think that bifurcation has happened. You and a couple of people are there who are still doing, like I
Yeah.
said, doing a proper day job and also doing comedy.
Yeah.
But तेरे को क्या लगता है ये मतलब again broad question, but the stand-up scene in the last 2-3 years, where do you think it is? How do you think it has changed? And where do you think it is going?
Oh wow, we're doing that! Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, chalo. This is interesting. So pre-COVID was everybody figuring it out, and to be fair, we are just technically अगर देखेगा तो we are just 2 years in comedy because 2017, 18, 19.
So I considered 2010 as the start year.
Sure.
Because क्या था वो comedy store तभी आया
Oh
था.
yeah.
हाँ, and
then Canvas.
Then it became Canvas and everything. So I think for me the demarcation line is 2010. So yeah, we were still in the first decade.
Sure.
6-7 years.
तो at least तो I was too late in terms of that, and मेरे लिए COVID came like अरे अभी तू समझा मेरे को कैसा कॉमेडी करने का है. मतलब I knew what not to do.
Okay.
At least in 2019ish, and then COVID happened. So at that time it felt like कि there were too many people, right? It is like कि now then we had to अरे producer ने मेरे को देखा क्या? I have to be liked by the producer. You have to hang out after the show, which was not possible for me.
Yeah, correct.
And I was like कि अरे I'm not gonna make it.
Yeah.
नहीं होने वाला है. COVID happened, and then people had to do what they have to do to survive. And that juice of जो भी अरे मेरे को कॉमेडी करना है निकल गया.
Okay.
Right? Most of the people. And fair enough. मतलब, it is, honestly, I still feel it is delusional to pursue this if you actually have to make a lot of money. Because like comedians who are like in their, like my age, like 20, तभी उन लोग 27, 28 के कुछ थे. ये टाइम था जब भी लोग शादी कर रहे हैं, सडनली कनाडा जा रहे हैं, ऑस्ट्रेलिया जा रहे हैं, blah blah blah. And then you feel like अरे मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं भी कर लेता हूँ GRE वगैरह. So you take a call which is important for you. So many people have done that, and good for them.
Yeah.
But I had no interest, so वो हो गया. And post COVID, what happened is that Zoom travesty which happened in terms of Zoom shows.
Why you call it a travesty?
It was so bad. Like, मतलब the entire idea of stand-up is I have the mic, light is on me. इधर सबके पास mic, और सब कितना irritating था.
Correct.
Just praying. If Zoom was the norm, I don't think I would have ever done it because it's not fun at all.
Correct.
तो उसके बाद what happened is then a lot of political shit happened. Compared to comedy, suddenly became mainstreamish. Not mainstream, but
it came in the news. Yeah.
So that kind of happened कि मतलब there were two things to it. One is material wise, suddenly you started self-censoring.
Yeah.
Right? कि अरे ये तो सोचना ही नहीं है, बोलना छोड़ो. Or whatever, you say it in friends, like ये बोलना मत अभी ठीक है. And then another thing is that the rise of Hindi comedy also happened.
Yeah.
So Bombay.
Okay, so when you started, you were still trying to do mostly primarily English.
English.
Okay.
So it was always English Hindi. तो मेरा कुछ बैठ नहीं रहा था. Because मैं इधर मेरे को मलयालम आता है. पहले आके बोला हिंदी सीखो. बचपन में हिंदी सीखा. स्कूल में बोला इंग्लिश मीडियम, इंग्लिश ही बात करने का. तो it became Hindi English.
Correct.
So I don't know either of the language well properly. So I thought कि fuck this, मैं मेरे हिसाब से बात करेगा, जिसको समझना समझ लो. तो I always was in a limbo. But everybody else figured out कि okay, Hindi is the thing. तो वो that changed.
Yeah.
And generally, I don't know, a sense of clean nahi, but a certain topics of comedy became a lot of things. Like even edgy बोलने का तो अभी समय रैना is killing it. Right. So now it doesn't like you can't make a case.
I get that. I get that initial craze of doing galis and saying whatever you wanted is phased out. The audience is also now bored of it.
Yeah, now it's not funny anymore. Just gali.
Like if you want to give gali, give it in a context that it makes you laugh.
Correct. And now it is at the point that Bombay scene is not the scene ki log Bombay aake, which is in a way good maybe.
I think Bangalore has taken that spot. If nothing, just because they have the comedy club which is shoot friendly. So a lot of people go there. It's cheaper to shoot. The audience is great.
I went to Bangalore for my solo show only once this year, and a lot of people came, and I was genuinely surprised because इतना ticket तो बेचा नहीं भाई. So people have realized कि it's not like कि you are famous. They want to watch comedy because it's a lot of kids with money.
Correct.
Suddenly, like, I want to try experiences. So Bangalore has that. Like that is ego boosting.
Yeah.
I'm like, if I try material here, I'll be like the worst because they are like, अरे dude, amazing, best guy ever. इधर आके फिर थाने में करो, औकात में आए.
Yeah, so you get your IT crowd and your student crowd in Bangalore.
Amazing.
I think you don't have like a crowd identity like that in Mumbai, do you?
No, because it is so difficult to figure out sometimes. It's good. I'm not saying in a bad way because you can never get cocky कि अरे ये audience में तो मेरा kill है, because there is a lot of people, it is still not mainstream,
yeah
right? तो I like कि 90 नहीं, 70 to 80% of, like, I primarily get a lot of stage time from Thane, Backspace Thane.
okay
So there around 50%, 60% will be always be like, I have never seen a comedy show live, but I know something is here.
Yeah.
And if you can make them laugh, joke is great. But their laugh will be different. They'll just, you know, shake their shoulders. ये करेंगे, बोला अबे हंसो इधर, मेरे को पसीना आ रहा है पीछे से.
Yeah.
So that is fun. मतलब that is good. And then like there are famous comedy clubs like Habitat,
Yeah.
अभी
Yeah.
Backspace, Todi में भी है, KCC, all the premium stuff. तो वहाँ people will flock for the venue.
Correct.
Oh, there is an event happening. So Bombay is nice, but the famous like viral comedians, I think it's all Delhi, no? Now, अभी तो
Yeah.
everybody are over there.
Correct.
And everywhere. But I find it something very funny.
Yeah.
Like, you know, initially in the scene, everybody wanted to do comedy like Biswa because he went viral. तो और उपमन्यु हो गया था, तो अभी if you see in Bombay, everybody has a very Delhi accent. अरे मैं तो वहाँ तक कर दिया मेरे, तू भाईंदर से आता है, तेरे को तू अरे करियो सब कैसे बोल रहा है, मलयाली डूड फ्रॉम भाईंदर, अरे मेरे तो वहाँ तक कर दिया मैंने, और क्या बात कर रहा है, मतलब ये कैसे बात कर रहा है. It's very funny. I enjoy it. It's a guilty pleasure of mine. I really enjoy. But what do you think that considering the climate around, like, you know, is comedy, do you consider comedy mainstream even now? Like, considering the people जो बेच रहे हैं उन लोग बोले अरे ये sold out stadium.
There are comedians who are going mainstream. The art itself, like you said, and it's very like ebb and flow. Like I still don't, like, if you were to ask me, Bombay is what's the one place that's like the mecca of stand-up comedy, I would have said Habitat.
Yeah.
But again, Habitat, because of the kind of shit it has gone through, has now got that little shady kind.
Correct.
Not shady exactly,
nahin.
but a controversial wo ho gaya.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the place that was broken down because so and so said this, right? So I don't know, but like a Zakir going to Madison Square Garden, or him, like you put Zakir's name in any auditorium in India today, it will sell out. Right?
Correct.
Your Samir Raina going mainstream.
Yeah.
I would say he went mainstream.
Oh yeah, 100%.
How he got there, sure, controversial means
he is mainstream,
yeah.
100%.
But he's mainstream. So I think these guys, your Upmanyu becoming a global meme, right?
Yeah.
You know, all of that. So those breakout things are happening. Bassi starring next to Ranbir Kapoor in a movie.
Yeah.
वो सब हो रहा है, but you're right. I mean, as compared to 2015 to 2019, when the scene was on the rise, I feel like that scene is now very haphazard. Now it's individual stars breaking out.
And now I have a two-parter.
Yeah.
One is, do you think stand-up should be mainstream? Second is, how much do you think the comedy scene had an impact because of reels? Who's doing the podcast now?
Welcome to comment section hosted by the real Varun Nair. Okay, I'll deal with the first question first. यार mainstream यार मेरे को नहीं पता है उसका what is mainstream in India. Like I feel like nothing is mainstream anymore. Movies are not mainstream anymore. What is mainstream was Karan Arjun, mainstream was Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge.
I think only cricket is mainstream.
Probably. उसमें भी I think
अभी थोड़ा निकल रहा है.
I still think again यार हम लोग बबल में रहते हैं. 90% of India is outside the realm of English speaking, 100%. urban जो भी है, right?
100%.
So we are only playing to dominate this little 10% of this thing. उस हिसाब से mainstream. So I think in that regard, that's why I say Zakir is a mainstream. उसको तुम रायपुर में डाल दो, चेन्नई में डाल दो, दिल्ली में डाल दो, anywhere.
Correct.
He'll sell out, right?
Correct.
Ideal scenario, I would, जैसा West में होता है, there is a mainstream comedy, there is also an indie comedy, right? कि mainstream वाला तुम्हारा जो है वो sitcom कर रहा है, TV show कर रहा है, movies कर रहा है, these are your Kevin Hart, Eddie Murphy, Bill Burr जो भी है. Then you have that next level of independent experimental comedians who are trying out different stuff. ये वो ideally I would, और उधर तो मतलब comedy clubs भी उस तरह से assigned होते हैं. Your comedy store will have one main room. It'll have a smaller room, right? So, I mean, the closest I can think of, like at NCPA, you have a Tata Theatre, you have an experimental this thing. But उधर वो जरूरी नहीं है experimental में जो है actually experiment. उधर कुणाल कामरा भी करता है.
Correct.
So, should comedy be mainstream? I don't know. I mean, were Sunil Pal and Raju Srivastava mainstream? Probably.
Yeah, at some
Are Zakir Khan and Abhishek Upmanyu mainstream? Yes.
Hmm.
Should it be? Yes.
Yeah.
But then I also think there should be another layer to that where because it's mainstream, you should have a smaller contingent who gets to do what they want to do,
Yeah.
which is more meaningful, more experimental, more risky.
Right.
अभी उसमें 1000 क्वेश्चन है कि रिस्की कौन करेगा, कैसे करेगा, क्या करेगा, ठीक है. So I don't know that.
Correct.
Secondly, about the reels.
Yeah.
So pre-pandemic, I used to have this moral high ground कि नहीं stand up होता है, live जो देखने आता है,
Yes.
वो mic पे stage पे जाके बोलता है,
हाँ.
वो ही असली
Live
art है. हाँ,
energy
live
जो-
ये lip sync करके क्या है, तुम आवाज निकाले ये वो. My perception changed in the pandemic. I'm
Yeah.
like, okay, now these are the people who are entertaining you in your house.
Correct.
And when you sit down to make a reel, you are doing 10 takes, you're doing 11 takes. You
Yeah.
have to be cognizant of the background में क्या है, foreground में क्या है,
Yeah,
बाल
yeah,
कैसा दिख रहा है, तू filter कौन सा है. That's when this myth shattered, and I'm like, hey, your Kusha Kapila is as funny as any
XYZ
stand-up comedian going.
Yeah.
But that real thing has become a double-edged sword कि ठहराव वाला स्टैंड अप अभी किसी को
Yeah.
नहीं देखना है.
Yeah,
It's everything, and other comedians have also spoken about
Correct.
this कि 1 मिनट वाला 30 सेकंड वाला जोक है.
Yeah.
Audience I used to love audience interaction.
Yeah.
I still do.
Yeah.
But now people look down upon it कि यार हाँ अभी लोगों को वो अच्छा तू ये पूछेगा फिर ये पूछेगा फिर इसका क्लिप डालेगा, right?
हाँ.
So it has, if I may use the word, bastardized comedy a
Yeah.
little bit. तो अभी वो फिर वापस उस पे आ रहा है कि where I'm like, go watch a comedian live because that experience will be unique for
Correct.
you.
Correct.
But as far as reach goes, when Hulk Hogan died, I
Yeah.
put out ऐसी मेरे दिमाग में आया कि रिक फ्लेयर बोलता था पार्टी करो ये करो वो करो, अभी तक जिंदा है. हल्क होगन बोलता था कि say your prayers, eat your vitamins, वो मर गया पहले. ये जोक डाल के मैंने डाला, and the next day I had some 20-30 followers because that reel went viral.
Yeah.
So as far as reach is concerned,
Correct.
bro, we are living in the golden era of reach.
Yeah.
कि तू जितने लोगों के साथ जितने लोगों तक पहुंच सकता है 30 सेकंड की रील से, उतना पहले कभी शायद दुनिया में नहीं हुआ है.
हाँ.
So I don't know where to. Basically, what I'm trying to say, I don't have an answer to both of your questions. But I gave an entire lecture on both of them. Okay.
No, you said something very interesting is bastardization.
Yeah.
Because I'll tell you in general from the scene, right?
हाँ.
पहले जब भी हम लोग, I mean, जनरली मैंने कभी स्टार्ट आउट किया था कोई वीडियो के बारे में बात ही नहीं करता था.
हाँ.
एवरीबॉडी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट जोक्स. आई नो थोड़ा प्योरेस्ट लग रहा है,
Yeah.
बट ऐसा अरे हम सिर्फ जोक्स डिस्कस करते थे वीडियो का नहीं. नाउ आई नो एन ओपन माइकर वाज डन 6 months एंड यू लाइक अरे मैं वीडियो डाल रहा हूँ. मैंने बोला क्यों डाल रहा है? लाइक नहीं इसका मैं रील काटूंगा. बट द फैक्ट इज आई डोंट हैव इट इन मी टू से नो. Because what if that reel goes viral?
Yeah.
And he fucking starts selling tickets. But तो मैं थोड़ी रोकेगा उसको. बोला भाई कर ले.
And that opposite is also happening. Like these guys, like just for example, Viraj Ghelani करके एक influencer है. Now he's doing live shows on the basis of his Instagram content going viral, and people come to see him. He's viral
Because his audience is there.
Exactly.
Now he has to figure out. Exactly. I'm sure the show is good.
तो वो जो हमारे अंदर वो था ना 10-15 साल पहले कि वो हम ओपन माइक करेंगे और ऑडियंस बिल्ड करेंगे फिर 1 घंटे का शो लिखेंगे.
वो तो गया अभी.
वो तो
गया अभी तो legit. I can tell you from my point of view, I have a nice 20-minute story set. ठीक है. And it is like kind of, it's like थोड़ा personal story है. I don't have the balls to put it out on YouTube because I know कि कोई नहीं दिखेगा. Because it's just a one short story. Right? And there is not a single reel जो मैं उसको काट के डाल सकता हूँ because it won't make sense. And I don't have an audience which will appreciate that story because it's personal. So I don't want to put it out ऐसी फालतू का. So I'm holding back on that. There are comedians who are telling कि हाँ I will not make 15-minute ऐसा proper set. Which has like, you know, anecdotes and then suddenly call back nothing. It's all 1-2 minute such chota jokes so that it can be easily put out on reels. So somewhere we are kind of, you know, like you said, bastardize the entire idea ki we are not being creative in terms of chalo different kind of comedy and all.
But I think that will go away.
I'm sure.
Also, I mean, I don't know if there is if we figure, and I think some comedians have figured this out. If you can get an audience with that 1 minute clip to get them to sit and then you do a 10-minute bit.
Correct.
and take the risk of saying
Yeah.
कि हम तो ये सोच के आए थे वैसा कुछ मिलेगा पर
हाँ.
कुछ और मिला.
Yeah.
But that's a risk I think you have to take. So,
100%.
yeah.
So even like I can shout out Aditya Gundeti does a
Right.
alt comedy
Yeah.
thing where he has a character called PT Sir.
Hmm.
So it is not friendly to any kind of reels or whatever. But he got a lot of audience because of that. So that is kind of cool. So that kind of gives me okay, he's doing something completely different from basic stand-up or something. But he got an audience because of reels.
Right.
So I'm like, ठीक है यार, because अभी मेरे को legit लगता है कि there is no audience which I can get from live shows. It is just people I can get out of Instagram if I can get them to come to live shows. And
So are you modifying what you put out on
I'm
your
not
Instagram?
modifying. It's just कि in my stand up तो मैं ऐसा नहीं सोच रहा हूँ कि वो लोगों को ये टॉपिक पसंद आएगा. I cannot work like that. I tried also, but मेरे से नहीं होता है. In terms of normal जो front cam reel stuff which are sketches I make,
Yeah.
I kind of have a thing कि some reels I know कोई नहीं देखेगा, but I like it.
Right.
Like it'll be damn about combs and all. I'm taking an interview with comb. I know कि nobody. I enjoy it. Like ये मेरे को मजा आया. But there are some reels कि okay, I know there is Valentine's Day coming. And I have an idea. I'll write it down. like तब shoot करके डालूंगा. वो सब मैं करता हूँ. Like a proper content creation.
Yeah.
But that is the only thing which I have like okay changed because I know कि I need followers. Otherwise there is no audience.
You have someone managing you?
पाए लगे. मतलब not yet. Not yet. I want to rephrase. Just too honest. I'm sorry.
Do you know there's a comedian, I'll tell you who off air,
हाँ.
who used to pretend to be his own manager to reply to me.
अरे यार, dude, it is so corny that you won't even believe कि ये अगर बोला भी तुम्हें विश्वास नहीं करेगा. Tell me the name later. My God.
Yeah, I'll tell
dude.
you.
My God.
Ah,
I also have a question for you.
yes.
before we
Oh
end.
wow,
Okay.
again.
This is like full left field.
Okay.
What do you think about the future of MCU?
Great question.
Great question.
You asked me 2 days after the first teaser
First
has
teaser
been released for
हाँ,
Avengers
हाँ,
Doomsday.
I have thoughts. So
Okay, so we're gonna geek out about the Marvel Cinematic Universe for the next couple of minutes. Bro, 2019 when Endgame came, right?
yes.
You had that end में the signature of each original cast member,
Huh.
and you were like, "Oh, this is the last time we are seeing them," and we made this, decade-long cinematic universe, and we presented it to the
Preach.
thing. And for the first time in a Marvel film, once the credits were done, there was nothing.
Nothing.
It was like everything is done.
Yeah.
We gave each original member of the Avengers their perfect ending. Everything ये हो गया. 2 साल तुमसे चला नहीं, तुमने बोल
Yeah.
दिया कि अभी ओरिजिनल रॉबर्ट डाउनी जूनियर. And I was so pissed when they announced Chris Evans coming back.
Yes.
I'm like, now nothing
Nahi.
is sacred. Nothing is sacred.
You ruined Endgame for me because of this.
Exactly, yeah. Now I know तुम कुछ धागा निकाल के बोल दोगे, no, this is a separate continuity. This is a separate. That universe has been given its perfect ending. And I know they are, from what I understand, they're building that the Doomsday is going to be about fatherhood because each of the original Avengers apparently will have a child.
Yeah.
Dr. Doom is also in pursuit of Reed Richards का बच्चा. And I'm just wildly guessing here, maybe December में लोग ये देख के हंसेंगे, that eventually it'll come down to Tony Stark wanting to get back to his daughter because I love you 3000 and all that.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Something like that. But my thing, man, like we are nothing is going to end. Like they will keep making this. वो even है Deadpool वाला till you're 90.
Till you're 90. And Deadpool, Wolverine भी, even though I had fun, I kind of ethically hated the movie.
Yeah.
मतलब कि ये गलत हो रहा है, मैं देख रहा हूँ, but ये गलत है, ठीक है? This movie like took a giant dump on whatever I felt during Endgame.
Yeah.
Because I was like, this is a great ending for Steve Rogers. Great, I love it. End it. It's amazing.
Yeah.
And then you shat the bed for 2-3 years because Disney बोला मेरे को content चाहिए for my streaming platform.
And I mean, Kevin Feige is this amazing, extraordinary, great producer.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay, you tried to build your young generation of Avengers. Maybe the films didn't pan out as they did. Commit to it.
Commit to it, man.
Put your Benedict Cumberbatch as the
I like Thunderbolt. Honestly.
Thunderbolt was fun.
Yeah, I liked it. I'm like, चलो कुछ तो हो रहा है. At least they have some semblance of कुछ तो. I didn't care about the characters, but ठीक है, story wise I'm into it. Fantastic Four ठीक है, I mean
I really liked it when I watched it, but जितना ऐसा पिक्चर दूर हो रहा है ना मेरे से उतना मैं
I don't care. हाँ.
I think Thunderbolts was better than
Yeah.
Fantastic Four.
So I read an interesting thing in Twitter. So what happened is now all these original Avengers, right? All of them are now getting older.
Yeah.
Right? And the current crop of these new actors like Timothy Chalamet, Jacob Elordi, Glenn Powell, वो सब, they have on record said that I don't want to be part of superhero franchise at all. तो उनके पास कोई है नहीं to draw the audience. तो how can we draw the audience? बुड्ढे लोग को वापस लाओ. I will just open the grave. And like, अभी याद है through Steve Rogers. Come. Dude, it's becoming Force Awakens वाला वापस Star Wars जो कर रहा है.
Oh man, don't even get me started.
Star Wars तो वही.
Yeah.
वो तो अलग.
But yeah, I mean, I don't know. Again, maybe by the time December rolls around, I will wear my Doctor Doom cape and go in the theater at 5 o'clock
Let's
to
be
watch
honest.
the movie.
देखो, let's call our bullshit out. It's not like we've not.
Of course, yeah, we will go.
Gonna go.
हाँ.
Everybody.
900 रुपए का टिकट IMAX में बुक करके सुबह 6 बजे.
आधा स्टेट का GDP से ज्यादा उसका मार्केटिंग बजट है. मेरा फूफा भी आएगा मूवी देखने. तो it's not a matter of that. It's just कि it will be like Deadpool Wolverine because it'll be like I am enjoying it. ताली मार रहा है, लोग woo कर रहा है. End of the day, empty shit. मतलब it doesn't mean anything.
Don't you also think? I think it's very weird because the Russo brothers have made shit after Endgame, right?
Yeah.
I somehow think कि उनका मोजो भी इसी के साथ बैठ रहा है. Like there is something.
मेरे को और कुछ बनाने नहीं आता है. मैंने रायन गॉसलिंग को लेके ग्रे मैन बनाया जिसमें मैं धनुष और क्रिस एवंस को भी लाया. मेरे से नहीं हुआ. Let me bring back again ये सब छोटा public fight.
Yeah.
I think yeah.
You've spoken openly about dealing with hate comments and trolling.
Oh really?
Was there a moment when it really got to you?
Oh
When have you spoken openly about hate comments? What hate comments?
I was the
have you
one who was
got?
giving hate comments. Screw you. Yeah. Amazing.
But Varun, when you sell out Madison Square Garden, I hope you come back. And,
Oh, yeah.
We'll talk a little bit more.
And I'll talk about my childhood in Palakkad also.
Yes, please. I will talk about how Robert Downey Jr. is coming back for Avengers Secret Wars.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
Yeah. जब तक तो शायद Avengers का script लिख रहा हो.
Oh, sure. Why not? It'll be very funny. We should do this in the after 10 years. And we're like, कौन सा ऑफिस में अभी? बोला मैं ये कंपनी में. That'll be funny for the bit.
DC or Marvel?
DC.
Really?
Huh?
Really?
Yeah, it was more Batman animated series.
वो तो मेरा भी है.
तो मेरा उधर leaning थोड़ा ज्यादा है. मतलब I still give chances more to DC movies and shows. Dude, मैंने इतना CW shows देखा है.
Did you watch what was that? Gotham.
Gotham I've seen first season.
Man.
Yeah, I'm
You really
that
have-
guy. I'm that guy. So I've tried everything for first season. I've seen Supergirl also. पहला season.
Hey, so, I mean,
Supergirl was fun.
that CW universe उसको तो मेरे को 7 साल लगेगा पूरा
नहीं,
खत्म करने के
सब
लिए.
एक
पूरा
season
निज़ाम.
is like Flash. First season fantastic. In fact.
But I'm going to end on this one analogy I had for DC and Marvel. When people used to ask, okay, what's the difference? I used to say DC is like a gourmet meal. Okay, you need to know which fork to pick
my
up,
God.
which spoon and which dish goes where and everything. And Marvel is like leftover pizza from last
Oh
night.
my God.
You start from wherever you get a
Oh my
hang of.
God. If anybody is watching this, feel free to comment.
Yes.
Hate on Marvel. This Marvel slander will not be tolerated.
But we all know Raj Comics rocks. So that was our episode, guys. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you next week. Till then, bye-bye.
Hi, my name is Varun Nair. I just had a fun conversation with Mr. Abbas. I will refuse to say his second name. But the fact is, it's a fun conversation. You like, share, hype the video also. And subscribe to the channel, the comment section.